today's weather certainly gave a lie to the predictions, with the temperatures soaring well above the forecast. At Force 13 HQ, it set a new record since our weather station has been in place since 2010, 33.2 degrees Celsius, and probably the hottest day here since July 19th, 2006, when Manchester Airport had a similar temperature of 33. Elsewhere, Sunday's highs have been into the 30s for many parts of further south parts of England, towards the Midlands as well. Oxford 31, as well as London, and a few areas further south as well, getting to around or maybe even above 30 in some places. Overnight, parts of the Grampian region of Scotland still got down to around 3 degrees at Boyne, not far from the Cairngorm mountain range, and temperatures elsewhere, mainly in the northern part of the UK, around 6 to 9 Celsius, but suffice to say all the towns and cities have been in double figures safely. Looking at Sunday evening, this is what we're looking at here. Rain moving in from the south, could possibly be thundery. We're watching some thunderstorms in France right now, but further north it's remaining dry, albeit a little bit cloudier further north, so temperatures will be going down a little bit. In Ireland it's looking a fair morning again, down to 11 or 12, and in England and Wales it's still very warm indeed. Look in the south there, no lower than 20 degrees on many parts of the south coast. As we enter Monday then, you'll still see significant amounts of rain, mainly in the southwest of England, possibly thundery again, so they're having some relief. Temperatures in Scotland though still getting to 25 along the west coast, but it will be noticeably cooler in the east. Ireland is not looking too bad, and noticeably cooler in the west thanks to the wind, and in England and Wales temperatures still getting to 28, maybe even to 30 degrees, mainly concentrated in the south and west. Into Monday night, any rain will probably fade away, leading to a clear night for pretty much everyone involved, although there is still always the threat of that cloudiness and maybe some isolated rain showers in the southwest of England. But looking at those overnight temperatures, it's another very warm night, 11 to 15 on Monday night into Tuesday. So looking into Tuesday again you're looking at Devon and Cornwall there, may see a little bit of rain throughout the earlier part of the day, and maybe a little bit entering the Scottish Highlands as well. But elsewhere it's a dry and clear day for most of us. 27 is the high on offer on Tuesday. Entering Tuesday evening, you can see that very thin band of cloud which is slowly edging its way northwards. Not much with that, I'm afraid, but further south there is another rain band there, just about moving into southwestern England again, but most places again will remain dry overnight, and possibly a cooler night as well, mainly in the east where those winds are getting down and those skies are staying clear. A little bit of rain here and there possible in Ireland, and that will spread throughout the day on Wednesday, culminating in a significant thundery outbreak perhaps on the cards. Also in southwestern parts of England too, and in the north as well. We could see some less strong rain showers, but there could still be some thundery outbreaks even there as well. We'll have to wait and see to get more specific on all of that information, as you'll see over the next few days as well. The general trend is that it's going to gradually get wetter throughout the week. So there's Wednesday night into Thursday, most areas staying dry overnight, and temperatures there again, look at those, very warm night again after those previous days' high temperatures. And now moving into Thursday, significant rain showers possible in the central parts of England and Wales, spreading to almost the whole country by the end of the day, and hopefully some of those very barren, drought-stricken places will get some much-needed rain as those temperatures continue to soar. No relief from those temperatures. 26 to 28 in England are the expected highs. Into Thursday night, the rain persists but generally tapers off into the early hours of Friday morning. Again, take caution with this forecast as we're getting pretty long range now. We're looking at right at the other end of the week. Another warm night though, that's probably a given, with those winds pretty low as well. And now coming into Friday, that's the 6th of July, more rain outbreaks likely and probably thundery as well. So we could be looking at a significant week for thunderstorm activity. The real question is where, and our future forecasts will hopefully shed further light on that, but you can get the general picture there. Most of us should get at least something this week, and again those temperatures high there even at the end of the week. Generally, Scotland is cooling down. England is not really cooling down, especially in the south, but it will get a little bit more manageable further north. And Ireland is probably having a similar story this week to Northern England, a very slight cool down with thunderstorms possible on the way. You can find more updates on Force 13's UK and Ireland page on Facebook and on our warnings page, force13.com/UK warn.html.